In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPad like new again. So maybe you're selling your iPad and you just want to go and wipe all of the data and reset it back to its original settings. I'm going to show you how we can do that in this video. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is just making a backup of all of your data. This will just ensure that when we go and wipe our iPad, none of our data is going to be lost. So what we need to do is go and open up the settings from your home screen. Over in the top left-hand side, click on your profile name. You can then click on iCloud and then select iCloud Backup. Now make sure Backup this iPad is turned on and enabled, and I would just recommend clicking this Backup Now button, and that will go and make a recent backup of all of your data stored on this device. Now once you've done this, click back on your profile name, click on Find My iPad, and make sure Find My iPad is turned off and disabled. You'll also want to come back out of this window and just make sure Share My Location is also turned off and disabled. Once you've done that, you can click back on your profile picture, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and click on Sign Out of your Apple ID, and you may get a warning message pop up. Just go ahead and press Sign Out. So once you've signed out of your iCloud account, we're just going to come over to the settings from the home screen. You can then scroll down and click on General from the left hand side. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and select Transfer or Reset iPad. You then need to click on Erase All Content Settings. It will then give you a warning message basically saying that all of your data will be removed from the device. So as long as you're happy to do this, we can just press continue, and you may need to enter the passcode to your iPad in order to confirm these changes. You'll then simply need to wait a couple of minutes while all of your data is removed from the device. Once it's finished, you can load back up your iPad and it will be like new when you first purchased it out of the box. So once you've done all of this, your iPad will be ready to sell or hand over to someone else. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.